Hey guy, this is Director here, and welcome to my Magic Funnel review and demo videos. I already have a Magic Funnel review access from the product creator, and today I want to post this video as a way to show you exactly what is Magic Funnel and as well how does Magic Funnel works exactly. And as you can see, this is the members areas of MagickFunnels. So basically, MagickFunnels is like a product from Glynn Kosky, and it will help you to create an affiliate funnel, and will help for use a 14 done for use mini funnel. So at first, here are some affiliates offer that the product creator recommend you to promote, and you can come here to you can come to your ClickBank account to edit your affiliate link. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is to connect to your autoresponder. So here are some service that's work with Magic Funnel. But in case there's no service you want, so it is absolutely okay for you to use external. So now I will create a news campaign. So the Jobless campaign, and you can click on load the opt-in templates, and you can choose this one for example. Okay, so this is the opt-in template, and here you will need to choose the autoresponder. It can be in HTML form or can be an API through MailChimp, Aweber, or anything else. You can also provide the URLs of your promo page, and yes, I want. Okay, and this is the affiliate link, so you can provide your own affiliate link. So download the bonus now, and here's an example. You can add some asset pop up, and some source proof pop up. Oh, okay, maybe it's wrong. Okay, the database is loading. Okay, and you can provide your bonus. This bonus you will get to give to your audience. And next is the affiliate product you will choose. So feel free to use any of them. Okay, and when you finish the entire process, you can click on save on edit. Okay, this is the you will have your own open page. This is like the pop-up. Okay, I will create again to help you understand. Okay, maybe because the loadings up the last issue. They just lost one, and I load again the opt-in template. So this time I choose the blue gray option, and you can choose the list. I choose MailChimp. Okay, and you can provide your promo page URLs. Yes, I want, and pass your affiliate link. So this has been affiliate, or you can choose an affiliate product from here. Thumbnail plaster, or for many other product. And you can click on default setting. Um, and after that, once you finish, you can click on save on edit. You can also edit the content of your opt-in templates, okay, to mark what you need. And here, this is the opt-in template, and this is the promo page. So this is like a promotional page. So this is like a place you can embed to people. Mostly, it can be an affiliate link. And this is the bonus, so people can before they access the bonus. So this is the place people can now access the free bonus from you, and after that they can purchase a product through your affiliate link. So this is the idea. But for the option like an affiliate promote, I will choose different affiliate link. Okay, so for example, Scribble is a product, and not that I will log in again. So scribble, I click on promote, then click on generate hop link, copy, and then access. Okay, because sometimes it will not work because the link I have shown you is the link from Warrior Plus, and the product is not live, so it is not available. So you can use again the promo page. It will be different now. Actually, the product creator will embed this entire web page for you. As you can see, the process is very fast and very simple. So it can embed the entire page, and they can also buy from you. So how cool is it, right? So this is an example kind of campaign that you can make thanks to the help of MagickFunnels. But one of the main values that it is having is not just about the lead pay and opt-in form. It also have a good values for the done for use funnel. So this case I use for the done for use funnels for the product scribble. So you can need to provide the direct URLs from here. Okay, and you can turn off things you don't need. Affiliates product is CB University. You can provide again your opt-in form lead, pass your affiliate link, and your direct URLs. And you can click on Save on Edit again. So the process is very fast and simple. Now I will visit the opt-in page. So this after people and here is the promote page. So this is the best direct URLs you can think of. So the product creator, as you can see, they will not just show the thank you. It is also show to people the direct embed page to your affiliate link. So this is a good way because when people are having money on their table, so they are ready to purchase from you. So this is the idea is that the product creator is wanting to make. Okay, very fast and very simple from here. So that's what you need to know and understand when we are talking about the features of MagickFunnels for the front end and maybe the upsell one account. And they have a database of ClickBank's product. Also, traffic flow is an upsell. Okay, so this upsell is about like you can submit your Facebook pixel into the Glynn Kosky sell page, so you can run your retargeting advertisement. Bonus Builder app is a bonus landing page builder. Conversion Tools is a conversion builder for things like Facebook pixel, pop up, and direct from or anything up social proof. So the main value is in the news campaign and the done for use funnel. So there are 14 done for use funnel for the front end account. Okay, and the upsell one is going to be the unlimited version. Price is $67, but you can cancel the upsell to buy the downsell at 47 instead. The upsell 2 is a new done for use funnel. The upsell 3 is an automated traffic flow. And the last upsell is going to be a conversion boosting tool. And the last upsell, the next is the bonus page creator. And the last one is the license right. But license here means affiliate with custom higher commission. Okay. And for all the upsell, I recommend to buy downsell instead, as feature is mostly the same. Okay, so thanks for taking your time watching this video. And if you purchase MagickFunnels through any link from this page or any link from my YouTube description, you will get a direct access to my custom bonuses, as this product is sold on Warrior Plus. So as you buy, you will get a direct dot link. And here they are. This is some premium and high quality bonuses that I can contribute you. They can support the online business after you buy Magic Funnel. And if you want even more bonus from me, just feel free to talk so I can provide for you more bonus as you want. And thanks again for taking your time watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to share this video to your friend. Bye bye.